So again, welcome again to the another very interesting lecture. So today we are actually supposed to do the instant segmentation. Okay, so first of all, let me show you that what is segmentation. I think we have given a lot more different examples on the before while we were actually covering up the foundation course. Okay, so let me just show you that in like types of segmentation. Okay, so if I just types of segmentation in image processing, you will see that this one, right? This picture. Okay, so you will see that there are like many different type of segmentation. Okay, so this is like the semantic segmentation where like I am just segmenting the object on object class wise, that's it. So this is the person class, so this is actually segmented in one class with the red color, and this is like the vehicle class, so it is segmented on the other class with a different color, and these are trees and roads are some other class. Okay, so this is semantic segmentation, okay, which is like not generally used in the market. Okay, the most important segmentation that we are supposed to do is that these two, which is like instant segmentation and synoptic segmentation. So it is basically doing the pixel level plus class level segmentation. Okay, so you will see that the male is actually having some like another segmented color, the female is actually the another segmented color. So these two are actually like come in the category of vehicle, but this is truck and this is like the another shape. Okay, so in this way, that is why I wanted to cover this instant segmentation. And what is the use case? So let's say that in medical domain, in order to detect any tumor, okay, or any organs, because you have, let's say, the microscopic image, right, and you wanted to detect the tumor, any organ, or let's say the cellular structure, so you can use, other than object detection, you can actually like use the segmentation so that it will try to microscopic view with the segmented output. Okay, or let's say that in a construction area domain, okay, or let's say that if you have a camera setup at the very nearer to the concrete structure, and if you really wanted to like find out the cracks in the concrete, you can actually try to use the instant segmentation as well. Okay, so there are other use cases as well. So again, let's hop back into the code, and then what I'm supposed to do is that for YOLO there is a, we are supposed to use the YOLO 11 and segmentation.pt model. Okay, so this is like I wanted to segment something, right? And let me just try to use this segmentation on which one, on let's say the person class, okay, or let's say the vehicle class, which one. Let me use this one. Okay, so let me use this video, or let me use some other video where there is like more concentration. Let me use the truck video. Okay, so this one, let me copy the path over here, let me do the instant segmentation, let me paste it. Okay, this one, and let me also try to give the class as, let's say, 0 for person. Let's say I want to just detect only person, that's it, right? Cool. So now these things are already set up. Again, the same thing, the same scenario. From the solution, I am supposed to use the instant segmentation. The instant segmentation, like the code, you will get it like from here, from the Ultralytics repo. You go instant segmentation, inside the segment, all the logics and everything has been written over here. Okay, and I have already like taken the session of how to do the CNN classification and other things. Okay, so you can actually refer to the previous video as well to get the conceptual understanding that how segmentation happens, right? Again, let's go back to the code, and if I just try to run it, python instant segmentation.py file, then you will see this part C. Okay, isn't that beautiful? Like the person is only segmented, and it is also having a tracking ID also with a confidence score. Okay, so this is like the result of instant segmentation, that first it is actually detecting the person, assigning the tracking ID, okay, as well as giving us the confidence score, as well as segmenting each person with a different color to the another person. Okay, so this is basically the result of instant segmentation. So you can try to use this. Okay, thank you.